Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I'm talking to a camera. Happy New Year's. New year, new me, right? That's what they say. It's never gonna get old, guys. Every single year, it's a fresh start, guys. It feels like a fresh start to everybody. If you want to have new goals or things that you want to do and accomplish and succeed in, this would be the time. However, I don't really like it when people say new year, new me, and I'm hypocritical because I say that. At the same time, I keep thinking to myself that every single day is a new day. So why don't we make a new day, new me? And let's just live by that through the entire year. Just set some goals, try to reach them, and do anything that makes you happy. I can't believe that this is my first video of 2018. My goal for you guys and for myself is to definitely be more consistent, and I really hope to put out as much content as I possibly can for you guys. I just want to say Happy New Year's. I hope everyone enjoyed their holiday. I hope that everybody is enjoying their time back at work. And yeah, and I really hope that I can, you know, build this community on my YouTube channel and build this channel the way that's gonna make not only my followers and my subscribers happy, but me happy as well, if that makes sense. So if you guys want to see this makeup tutorial, I actually filmed this makeup tutorial on my Snapchat like 2 days ago. I do a segment called Toot Tuesday. If you're not already following me, please do not forget to follow me on Snapchat. And I'm like pretty much there all the freaking time. If you have any questions or any input or any ideas or anything like that, I always respond to my Snapchat family. Make sure to follow me so that way we can communicate on a different level. It's a more personal level, you know what I mean? And honestly, I'm very open on my Snapchat. I did this segment and everyone requested that I please film this for YouTube because one, Snapchat expires within 24 hours and you can't pause and rewind, and it just becomes a little more complex for people to recreate the look. So here I am filming for you guys. I really hope I can get this video up by Sunday. Today is Friday. And yeah, I'm so excited to be back. Let's get to this video. If you guys want to see this makeup look, then please keep on watching. I'm going to be using the Fit Me Concealer to prime my eyes. I'm going to be doing one eye only, and then I'll do the other one off camera. You can use any bone color or skin tone matte shadow to set it. If I don't have one in front of me, I just use my translucent powder that I use to set under my eyes. Today we're going to be using this cute little Too Faced white chocolate, or is it chocolate chip mini palette. I got this for Christmas in a stocking stuffer that George got me, and he was like, I can't believe how small it is. I paid $22 for this thing. Guys, $22 for a little thing like this? It's like the size of my like finger. That's like pricey. That's like a whole Morphe palette. But because it's cute, we're gonna go ahead and use it. I'm gonna put that all over my eyelid just to set. All right, we're gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. Mine is extremely dirty, so please don't screenshot. Please don't laugh. I'm going to be picking up this tone right here to begin the transition. With creating this look, it's a cut crease look, so you want to go like far out. You want to be able to blend all of this back and forth all the way out towards the brow where the brow would end. So I'm just going to be blending back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. You want everything to be nice and blended, especially with cut creases. You definitely want to see the transition of colors. So you want to blend pretty much until your hand falls off. Once your hand falls, then you've reached your goal, okay? And don't worry if we get it on the lid, it's okay because we're going to be cutting the crease anyway. So this color right here, and I'm going to be mixing it with this one. You see how dirty this is? It's embarrassing. I'm going to focus this more on the crease, but still blending it out. Right now I'm just using a fluffy brush to make sure that everything is just blended. I know that everything looks a little messy right now, but what you want is just to be sure that everything from this point up looks good and blended. All right, next we're going to be grabbing this color right here and this color right here. And I just applied that on the outer corner. I didn't bring that in at all. All right, so with a makeup wipe, I'm going to be cleaning the outer corner. I'm going to be cutting the crease using the same concealer that I used to prime the lid. Now, the only thing that I'm going to be doing different from the crease being cut out like this is that I'm not going to wing it out. The crease is just going to go all the way to here, and that's it. And then I'm going to do the eyeliner to connect it. What you want to do is you want to kind of look straight and then kind of I always put like a thing there and then I look up and it kind of stings it for me, and that's where I want it. Go right there. Then I'm going to be grabbing that Stila glitter. These liquid glitters are phenomenal. We're going to be using Smokey Storm. I'm just going to apply it first everywhere where I can apply it without getting it on the shadow. Then I'm grabbing a angled brush and just grabbing some of that glitter shadow on the brush to do the closer areas. I'm just gonna like let it dry down a little bit while I take a sip of my ocean water from Sonic. And then I'm gonna do my liner. So my liner is gonna be the NYX matte liquid liner, which I use all the time. Nothing new. New year, same liquid liner. All right, so I'm gonna apply my liner. I'm gonna line my lid first, and my liner is gonna be a little thick today. I always want to go back and do stuff when I know that I shouldn't, you know? I'm going to be doing my eyeliner on camera, just this one right here. And then I will do an updated brow tutorial because I think I've never posted a brow tutorial on my channel, and a lot of people ask me for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and film that next. I'm gonna be using the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil, and it is in Blackest Brown. And I really, really love this pencil. The only bad thing about it, and I actually have heard a couple of people say the same thing, it wears down really, really fast. I use it on my clients, on myself, and I have to replace it pretty often. But the good thing is that it's $7, so it's like the Brow Wiz by Anastasia, except it's like half price. First, I'm going to fill in the outside because that's going to be my darkest point, and do very little tiny strokes, and it will look very natural. So I'm going to be applying some lashes now, but I don't know which lashes I'm using. It's really sad, and people were asking which ones they were, and I absolutely have no idea. If I somehow, by any chance, figure out which ones they are, I will leave it in the description box. All right, guys, so I'm going to pause on my eye and go do the other eye. I will be right back. All right, guys, I am back, but can we just talk about how big of a screw up I am? So I do want to mention that I actually started filming this video at 5 p.m. and it is now 11 p.m. at night. So what happened was I filmed only like maybe about half of my eye of completion, and then I didn't get to finish filming because I had to go pick up Jason, go to my mother-in-law's for dinner, and I got home like around 10:30. So now it's 30 minutes later, and I filmed the beginning of it with my contacts on. Then I came back, finished off my lashes and everything without my contacts, and now I'm back with my contacts. I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna leave this in so that you guys know that realistically we all mess up, and filming is not as easy as people think it is. It's actually very difficult, and editing is just a whole nother issue. So I apologize if it's like flip-floppy. Next, I'm going to be spraying the Mario Badescu Rose Water. I'm going to color correct first, and when I use the LA Girl Light Yellow Color Corrector. So I'm going to apply some here, all in the areas where I feel like I need some brightening. So as you guys can see, my face is a lot brighter. For the foundation, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation in the color Tres Leches. It might be a little bit too yellow for me right now, but that's totally okay because I extended all the way down my neck. So I literally am going to take 2 pumps of it. And you can do a full coverage just using this foundation. Is like literally full coverage. And look at that, like that was just a dab. Look how much product I still have on my hand. Like seriously guys, this foundation is amazing. I probably only needed 1 pump. You guys can see how much foundation I have on my hand still. All right, for my concealer, I'm gonna be using the same Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline in shade number 25, which is medium. Now, I've been using this concealer for like the past 4 years now. I think ever since it came out. It's like the perfect shade for me, and it's buildable. So if I wanted to make it very, very light, I can make it super light. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my concealer. I'm gonna be using the Coty Airspun Translucent Powder. You can get this at any drugstore, CVS, Walgreens. And I'm going to just apply it a little bit underneath the eyes to set. We're gonna swing right back to the eyes, and I'm gonna go back to our Dirty Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm gonna grab the dark brown shade down here, and I'm going to apply that all the way through the bottom lash line. I know it looks like I just gave myself a black eye, but just wait. This one right here. I'm going to get closer to the lash line to darken up only the outer corner. All right, now with a pencil, this is the brow pencil. So it's meant to be used for underneath the brows. I actually use it to highlight my waterline to make my eyes look bigger. I'm going to go ahead and just do mascara on my bottom lashes. All right, with an M507 brush, I'm gonna go back to this little cute mini chocolate chip Too Faced palette, and I'm grabbing this really pretty shade right here. Look at that. All right, for our bronzer, this is actually new for me. This is my second time using it. The first time I used it, it was actually really nice. It's a very natural bronzer. It's more for light skin, but I liked it because it really just gave like a natural like sun-kissed like, bronzer, not too red. And it is the Milani Baked Bronzer in Dolce. All right, so I'm gonna go to my Shade and Light palette now, and I'm going to contour my nose and contour a little bit of my cheeks, like a fluffy blending brush to contour my nose. And I'm gonna be grabbing this shade right here. Now I do the fish face. It helps me like really see where I want to contour. For a blush, I'm going to be using this Milani Bake blush, and I'm changing it up, guys. Usually I use Luminoso, but I'm going to be using this one right here, and it's like very peachy, orangey, very orangey. This is really good for like my medium tan to more darker skin tones. See, it's like orangey, which is pretty cute, I feel. It's different. All right, so the highlight that we are using today is by JCat Beauty. It is called You Glow Girl, and I think I've used it already on a video. It's really pretty. JCat Beauty Cosmetics is a really, really affordable product. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I hate when that happens. That's why you always do a test, especially when they're new and when they're running out. Always do a test spray on the side. Okay, for my lips, I'm going to just be doing the simple lip liner and gloss. I'm taking it back to the old school days, you know, when they used to wear like the really dark lip liner and then the chapstick in the middle. I'm going to be using the MAC lip liner in Strip Down, and I'm just going to be putting this all over my lips. It is the Kiko Milano 3D Hydra Lip Gloss, and this is in shade 17. The name is already scratched off, I can't see it. But I'm gonna put the lip liner all over my lips and then apply the gloss on top. Alright guys, that is going to complete today's makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look, and if you did, and if you recreate it, please do not forget to tag me or send them my way. I love, love, love. It makes me feel so happy when you guys send me pictures or snaps, or you tag me on Instagram of looks that you have recreated or that I have inspired you to do. That is why I'm here. Please let me know if you guys recreate this makeup tutorial, and if you liked it, please do not forget to give this video a big, big thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And if you're not already a part of my family, then please do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye! Mwah. Please do not forget to have